A 7-step B2B SEO strategy is an effective way to increase visibility and organic rankings for businesses. The first step is to identify the desired target market, which allows you to create content that appeals to that market. Next, it's important to create a keyword strategy that focuses on long-tail keywords related to the target audience. Thirdly, website optimization should be conducted regularly in order to improve the user experience and ensure that all content is relevant and up-to-date. Afterward, link building with other reputable websites can help boost rankings. Fifthly, track progress with analytics tools in order to measure success over time. Sixthly, be mindful of local SEO considerations such as creating localized content and registering business information with local directories. Finally, staying on top of the latest trends and best practices will help keep your site competitive in the ever-changing world of search engine optimization. By following these steps, B2B companies can improve their visibility among potential customers and increase organic rankings within their target industry.